Hello everyone and welcome back to the copywriting masterclass. Now we are just going to start with lesson number 5. We are done with lesson number 4 and you might be thinking it's very simple, it's very childish, but trust me, don't get fooled by its simplicity because trust me, the simple things done with excellence get you the best results. As I did, I have been doing so for the past 2.5 years. I know nothing fancy, I know nothing something very difficult. I'm just doing simple things but in a better way. That's why I'm earning $7,000 a month by working at max 2 hours a day. So I'm a little authoritative figure over it, trust me, and the rest you can experience yourself. So we just learned that the great copy is all about storytelling. But how do you turn that into the sales that actually makes money? That's what we'll cover in this lesson number 5, creating irresistible offers. Have you ever walked into a store, picked up a product, put the book back down? You liked it, you were interested, but something stopped you from buying. Yeah, that's because the offer wasn't irresistible. And now here's the secret. People don't buy products, they buy offers. I repeat, listen carefully. People don't buy products, they buy offers. And so by the end of this lesson, you will know why some offers make people rush to buy and others get ignored. The three-step formula for making any offer irresistible and real-world example of offer that made millions. And once you master this, you will be able to sell anything, anything in the world. So let's go. Think of your offer like muscles. Muscles give you power to move, jump, and take action. A strong offer gives customers the power to say yes and buy. Without muscles, your body feels weak and slow. Similarly, without a great offer, your product feels boring and unimportant. Now imagine there are two gyms they are offering a membership. Gym 1 says $40 per month for access to our gym, whereas Gym 2 says join today and get unlimited access to all equipment, a free personal training session, a nutrition guide to help you lose weight faster, a 30-day money back guarantee, no risk. Which one makes you want to sign up? Tell me your answer below. Gym 2, right? Because it feels like a no brainer. It's packed with value and feels safe. So, that is what we are going to know, the three-step formula for an irresistible offer. A great offer isn't just about price, it's about perceived value. And every irresistible offer has three key ingredients: the core product, that means what they are actually getting, plus bonus value, that means extra things that make it feel like a great deal, and lastly, risk reversal, a guarantee or promise that makes buying feel safe. This all makes up an irresistible offer. If an offer feels risk free and packed with value, people won't hesitate to buy. Just as an example, when Apple launches a new phone, they don't just say, here's a new phone, it costs $999, for example. Nope, they make an irresistible offer. For example, they say, get all new iPhone 15 with the most advanced camera ever, fastest processor for smooth performance, all day battery life, no more charging anxiety, and $0 down and easy monthly payments. See how they make the deal feel amazing? That's what you want to do with your copy as well. Now there's another exercise where you will turn a weak offer into an irresistible one. For example, if it's just written buy our skincare cream, it costs $25. Now you need to rewrite it using the three-step formula where you will add bonus, make it feel a great deal, remove the risk with a guarantee, and for sure post the answer below. Or if you want to have a more challenge, then you can also transform the offer below. For example, for my channel, if I say learn copywriting for free for beginners, subscribe now. I think that's great, but you need to make it irresistible offer. By adding bonuses, make it feel like a great deal and remove the risk if there is any with a guarantee. And like always, as I've promised, I will always keep it short and simple and crisp. Don't get fooled by its simplicity. Practice what you have got to know, and now you know how to make any product, any offer feel irresistible. But how do you write a copy that makes people feel urgency to buy now instead of later? That's what we'll cover in the next lesson. Until then, take care, practice, and bye bye.